Hello and welcome to another Mortgage Minute with Erik Maya. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos on a regular and weekly basis. Today I want to talk about appraisal waivers. As we know, the market's still crazy. It's gotten slightly better since the kids went back to school, but there's still a lot of offers out there. It went from like 30 offers on every home to like 15 or 20 on every home. So it's still very competitive. So today I want to talk about a question that I talk about on a daily basis with my clients and my agents. Is appraisal waivers. On this file, can we get an appraisal waiver? And I wanted to talk to you about how they work. So number one, it only applies to conventional loans. Whenever we get the appraisal waiver to where it's not required as a part of underwriting. We actually get the appraisal completely waived sometimes where we don't need an appraisal to close a loan. And that's going to be a huge benefit to the seller, to the buyer, to all parties involved, because it's just one less thing for the seller to worry about. One of the most important things that they typically worry about in this market is that the properties are not going to appraise. So it does have to be a conventional loan. Number one, the buyer has to have good credit. So the system has to recognize a loan as a strong borrower, and they have to have good credit. And the third thing is that they have to have a decent down payment. So they usually have to put a bigger down payment, not a 3 or 5 typically. It has to be more than that to be able to qualify for the appraisal waiver, which is going to help them win the bid and close without having to worry about the headache of, hey, is it going to appraise? Is it not going to appraise? Do I have to pay the difference, etc. If you or anyone you know is looking to buy in the next year or has questions about how appraisal waivers work, please have them reach out to me or my team, Erik Maya, 832-724-0757. Have a great day.